everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another fun review for you guys featuring this gorgeous KeriKit Joy XL Eco Quilt recycled nylon backpack. Now, at first I wasn't sure I was gonna like this bag, but I'm obsessed with it now. Especially after packing it up, because this bag can hold so much. I bet you wouldn't believe that I've fit an entire day's worth of stuff in here for an overnight trip. That includes hair tools, body wash, changes of clothes, laptop, like all kinds of different things are in this bag. So besides it being like amazing packed, I also just love the materials. It is a recycled nylon, but it feels super high quality. And the vegan leather I thought was real at first when I pulled it out of the bag. I was like, wow, this is really nice. And this bag doesn't have to be just for overnight. You can use it for a school backpack, as a diaper bag. This would make a fabulous diaper bag because there are insulated pockets throughout and lots of other awesome features. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump straight into this video because I have so much stuff in here for an overnight trip that I don't want it to drag out too long. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start out with the outside features of the bag and then we'll jump onto the inside for the packing portion. So this bag is 13 inches wide. It is 16.5 inches tall and 7.9 inches wide. You have an insulated bottle pocket on each side of the bag, and they are elastic, so you can fit your baby bottles in there, no problem. On the very front of this bag, you'll see you have this gorgeous quilted front. I love it. It is so pretty, and it feels really nice. You have a zippered opening in the front here. You have a double zipper opening on the front pocket here, and these zipper pulls are lockable here as well as here, and this is also a double zipper opening that goes about a little bit more than halfway down the sides of the bag. On the very top here, as you guys can see, you have another zippered compartment, and on the sides of the bag you have a D-ring, one on each side, so you can hang this bag from a shopping cart or your stroller if you have stroller clips. You have this really nice grip handle up here so you can grab this in and out of your car easily, or if you are traveling, you can pick it up off the plane easily. It's really sturdy. On the very back of the bag, you have a lot of cool things happening. You have these really cushiony straps that are really comfortable and adjustable. And underneath those, you have a security pocket right over here. And then you have another pocket that goes all the way down to here. And if you wanted to use this as more of a suitcase bag, you would unzip the zipper back here, and then you could put your bag right down on top of your suitcase like this and just wheel it around. It's amazing. I love that. This is the perfect travel bag. So now that we have gone over the outside features of this bag, let's go ahead and jump onto the inside to see what I have in here. I think we'll start with the sides. On this side of the bag here, I have my iPhone 14 Pro just sitting in the side, easy access for me if I'm driving and I need directions real quick or something like that. But as I mentioned, these are insulated on both sides of the bag. On this side, I have my keys. There is a little key fob leash holder inside the bag as well. But as I mentioned in previous videos, I like to have my keys in a separate pocket so they don't bump into anything. So that is what I have in that pocket. That's all that I had in the side pockets there. In this front pocket here, I have just a few things for myself. So I have some hand sanitizer, I have my inhaler, and I also have a few panty liners down in there. That's all that I had in that front pocket, but it is pretty roomy, as you can see. These zippers are super smooth, by the way. I love KeriKit zippers. In this pocket here, goes about halfway down. This is what I have in here. I have a lotion stick here. I love this one. And this just fit perfectly in this little elastic pocket that they have right here. Next to that, there is a pen loop, but I don't have anything in there. Right here, I have my wallet. This is the coffee break wallet by Jujube in the black color. I love this wallet. It's a perfect fit in that pocket. And this pocket is the vegan leather, and it feels really nice. I love that. There's also a tiny little D-ring here that you could clip something onto if you needed to, such as a passy, or if you did have your keys with a clip on it, you could put them there. In front of these pockets, I have my Jujube small set piece in the black camo, which I thought paired so well with this bag. I love it. In here, I just have a few things for myself that I like to have on hand easily. Eye drops. I have a little pill case here with Advil and allergy medicine. I have an oil absorbing roller stick, a chapstick, and a folding hairbrush. Under all that stuff, you actually have more space down in there. It's a very good sized pocket. In here I have my glasses. I wear these when I'm reading and when I'm driving. They're a must. So that's all that I had in there, but you guys can see that is a decently sized pocket. So that's all that I had in the front pockets. I don't have anything in this top pocket here. It's kind of an odd pocket, kind of flat, and kind of goes the length of the top pocket here, if you guys can see that, where the seam is. I think this would be a great place to keep clean passies and things like that, or anything else that you want to have quick access to, that you want to keep separate from everything else. On the very back, as I mentioned, you do have a security pocket back here. Now, I don't have anything in there right now, but I did want to show you guys how big that is on my arm here. So it goes, hopefully you guys can see. It's about that big on my wrist, if that helps. And I don't have anything in this pocket either. If I was traveling, I would definitely want to have that pocket available to put over my suitcase. I do love being hands-free. Okay, so now that we have gone over the outside of the bag, let's go ahead and jump onto the inside. Another double zipper opening in the front here. And I have so much in here. On the top here, I have a jujube large set piece in the black camo. If you guys see anything you love in this video and you've got to have it, I will link everything down in the description below for you. And I would love if you guys would shop KeriKit with me. They have such gorgeous bags. I am obsessed with their stuff. Super high quality, great customer service. I just love them. So in the large set piece, I have a ton of stuff. I have conditioner, body wash, and I have my shampoo in a different bag for some reason. I'm not sure why I did that. Everything else is makeup related. So I have foundation, mascara, eyeshadow, powder, blush, a sponge, eyebrow pencil, one of my brushes, two more brushes, concealer, and a lip gloss. And that's what I had in my large set piece on top. Now that I have that off, you guys can kind of see what I have going on down in there. But I'm gonna go ahead and move my bag to a different area so you guys can see just a little bit better. All right, so this is how I have the inside packed up. We're gonna go ahead and go through all the front pockets first. So there are two elastic front pockets here. And in this one, I have my toothbrush, some toothpaste, and a little bottle of travel mouthwash. That's all that I had in that front one. On this one, I have some moisturizer, a pore cleanser, some retinol cream, and then I also have a matte moisturizer as well. That's all that was in the two front pockets there. Let's go through the side pockets next. On this one over here, I actually have my Lange wand. This is a pretty good size piece, as you can see, and that fits straight up and down in this bag, no problem. On the other side, I have a jujube medium set piece in the black camo print. And in here, I have a few things for myself for my hair. So I have my shampoo here, some leave-in conditioner, and I also have my heat spray for when I'm using my hot tools. And I did have all of those facing upwards, so there won't be any spills or anything like that. But the good news is that if there is a spill, jujube is washable, but also this also wipes clean as well. It's spill resistant. The entire inside of the bag is this beautiful jacquard KeriKit fabric. Let's go ahead and go through the middle next. In this big bag here, I have a change of clothes. So this is the jujube large be organized piece. So on top here, I have a pair of socks with Sailor Mercury, a pair of black leggings, can't go wrong, and I have a gray sweater as well. Next to that, I have the medium be organized by jujube, and in here I have a few things for sleep time. So I have a pair of underwear, a sleep top, and then I also have a pair of sleep shorts. So that was the entire middle section of the bag. You guys can see this bag just really holds a ton. I still can't believe how much I can fit in here. In the very back here, you have a laptop sleeve, and I have a 13-inch laptop here, but you can actually fit up to a 14-inch laptop in that sleeve. And if I wasn't to bring my laptop on vacation, I'd definitely be bringing at least an iPad. So that would fit in here too. And if you have something smaller back there, it has a snap closure, so you can just snap it closed to contain smaller items and things like that. Right above that pocket, you also have another pocket. I don't have anything in here because my laptop was blocking this pocket, but it is good size and it is vegan leather trimmed, which is really nice. And right above that, you actually have this, which you can hang your keys from, or you can put a passy on there. So this bag does it all, you guys. I love that. And the side pockets here are insulated too, so if you had a lot of baby bottles and you needed to keep them all cold or warm, you have 4 pockets to do that with, which is awesome. I love that. So if you're looking to use this bag as a travel bag for yourself or for your little ones, or if you're looking to use it as a diaper bag, this is an amazing option. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it fun and helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. If you are new to KeriKit, I would love if you guys would shop with me. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you, and you can shop through that for your first purchase. If you have any questions and want to know anything else about this bag, please leave your comments down below for me and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.